Welcome to the tutorial for the Crystal Collective DIY kit for the Beach Day bracelet. The Beach Day bracelet comes with one package of beads with everything you need. Before I get started, I like to set up my workspace. If you don't have a bead tray at home or a bracelet making tray at home, that's perfectly okay. You can always use a little bit of cloth, a little square cloth. Felt or flannel works great. It just keeps your beads from bouncing all over if you drop one or if one comes off the string accidentally. I also like little dishes, little ring dishes or ramekins work great to help corral our beads. The Beach Day bracelet is a relatively straightforward project. We're just going to take all of our aqua beads and string them on the elastic like you would any other bracelet. They're tiny. It takes a little bit of precision, but it's well worth the outcome. That's how they'll look strung on the elastic. You can just keep going with that. I'm going to swap that out and show you I've already strung all of my beads from the kit. That's what it'll look like when your elastic is full with all the aqua beads. Next, you're going to take your silver tubing. Just going to slide the elastic right through and slide it on next to your beads. Like all our other bracelets, I like to check and make sure before I tie the knot to see if I like the way it fits. And this looks like it's going to fit nicely. If you ever want to take a bead off, you can totally do that. If you find you need extra beads, contact me. I'll send you some extra beads happily. Now we're going to pull the elastic nice and tight against those last beads before we tie our first double knot here. That's what your knot will look like. And pull it nice and tight. I'm going to go ahead and do that a second time. Or a double knot here. Tie another knot right on top of that. Oh, well, see, this happens. I missed it. I did not get right on top of it. So I'm going to try and bring it down. We pull the top knot, bring it down to the bottom, and now we do have a true double knot. Make sure they're nice and tight. I'm actually, because this tube is so large and will hide a bigger knot, and because I missed that first double knot, I'm going to triple knot this. You have my permission to triple knot. There we go. That's what we're looking for. A knot on top of a knot. And then we're going to go ahead and clip the little tail there and let that knot hide in the bar. Oh, that is so cute. Our Beach Day bracelet. I mean, it looks like a day at the beach to me. I cannot wait for those days. Surely soon to come. And there you go. You made your own Beach Day bracelet with the Beach Day DIY kit. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you guys next time.